Taking a look at the interest rate markets today, I want to focus on the two-year note. Two-year note finding a bid after being lower initially. We saw it pop up this afternoon. Currently right around the 106.08 level, right in the middle, I should say 106.085. So we're seeing it at the higher end of the range for the day. Reversing the trend, though, I think that's the key point here. Is we've seen some downside pressure on both the 2s, the 5s, the 10s, and the 30s for that matter. But now we're seeing, at least for today, a little bit of a reversal of that trend that the market's been experiencing. And looking at the dynamics in the market, I think it's interesting that when you look at the 2s and 5-year notes now, we're seeing basically at parity. We're seeing that inversion in the yield curve slowly working its way out, and some of the dynamics here when you look at the 2-year yield right around the 2.4 level, actually was just a little bit below that at one point today, currently holding right around the 2.4, and the 5-year right there as well at the 2.4 level. So we're seeing that 2.5 range in the yield curve continuing to push back towards out of that inversion that it was experiencing just a month ago. Also, some of the other driving factors here I think that should be pointed out are the data points that are coming out here. Now, we got some pretty strong numbers out of China overnight. That was the reason I believe we saw the equity markets higher this morning, and we did see some pressure on the yields, and so therefore the market was kind of contending with that as we saw the U.S. markets open, but then we saw a reversal in the equity markets, and with that we saw yields come under some pressure. We saw bonds and notes pick up a bid here, and that seems to be persisting throughout today. Now tomorrow we also get retail sales. I think that's another big number the market's going to be focused on. Definitely could influence the 2-year note as well as the rest of the rate environment as we see those numbers roll out tomorrow.